Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Fran Lankman from Key Wealth, and in this video we're going to do a quick overview of the Bestmed Beat 1 hospital plan for 2023. So the first thing is that there is a network option where you can go to specific hospitals only, and a non-network option where you can go to any hospital within South Africa. The Beat 1 hospital plan is one of the most affordable hospital plans in South Africa, coming in on the network option on 1,710 Rand for the principal member, and if you want to go to any hospital on the non-network, it's 1,901. With Bestmed, please note that you only pay for 3 children, so any children from 4 and upwards, or 4 or more kids, are for free, and they stay to you keep on paying child-dependent rates. The lower rates for children up to the age of 24 or 26 if they are full-time students. Your hospital benefits, I'm not going to go into too much detail here. You can pause the video and read through it. Important, there are benefits for biological drugs up to 10,000 Rand within hospital. Your take-home medicine is covered at 7 days. Important, this you have to get at the pharmacy, the hospital pharmacy, not a pharmacy inside a hospital, but the actual dispensary or pharmacy of the hospital that you are visiting. It's 100% accommodation fees. You can go to mental health clinics. Consultation specialists are covered at 100%. Please note here that 100% is the agreed rate. Doctors can charge above this, and when they do, that is when we require a gap cover to pay for claims that are in excess of 1,000%. This would be applicable on your consultations and surgical procedures only. There are maxillo major facial surgery is only covered as PMBs. In other words, surgery that's around your mouth and jaw area. That includes your wisdom teeth. So please take note, if you want to remove your wisdom teeth, it would most likely not be covered under this option. A new benefit in terms of your prosthetics for 2023 is the spinal artificial disc that is now included. That was an exclusion up until last year. Please take note of these exclusions. External prosthesis, it's only covered during an emergency event, in other words, like an accident. If it's normal wear and tear or due to old age, hip replacements, joint replacement, knee replacements won't be covered. So please take note of this, very important. Another fact to mention here on all of these internal prostheses, if the amount supplied by Bestmed is not enough, you can claim from a gap cover. If you've got the correct gap cover, you can claim from your gap cover where they will pay out an additional amount. Other things that are important, cancer is covered in full. With Bestmed, you can upgrade once you are diagnosed with cancer. So if you do get diagnosed and your treatment plan is not covered on Beat 1, you can upgrade to the correct plan, which is very nice. Your confinements are covered at 100%. Refractive surgery at PMBs only, so that's something that you can't claim for by yourself. Or normally, Bestmed they do midwife-assisted births, supplementary services, palliative care, and so on. You do have cover for international travel, and then if you go to the wrong hospital on your network option, there's a 13,000 Rand co-payment. The largest part of this can be claimed back from a gap cover. So again, make sure that you have that benefit in place. You can reach out to our office if you need any assistance with that. Out of hospital benefits, because this is a hospital plan, you don't really have a lot of out of hospital benefits. What you do have is if you're a diabetic, you've got 2 consultations at a Dis-Chem primary care nurse, where you can claim for that. You've got wound care after certain injuries or operations. Your oncology out of hospital, that's once you've got a treatment plan. And then please take note of this, 5,885 Rand for your CT, MRI, and PET. Your MRI and CT scans, PET scans are excluded. If a scan is, say, 15,885 Rand, Bestmed would pay the 5,885, and the 10,000 Rand that's left, you'll be able to claim from a gap cover. So again, make sure you've got the correct cover in place. There's no benefit on this option for prescription medicine or acute medicine, also no over-the-counter medicine. You can, however, claim for your CDL chronic medicine. Just take note that it has to be on the formulary. If it's not, there's a 30% co-payment. You can pause here, but these are the conditions that are covered under this option. Some of the most popular ones: asthma, bipolar, diabetes, epilepsy, hypertension is high blood pressure, hyperlipidemia is high cholesterol, and also things like endometriosis. So lots of conditions that are covered on this option. You do have access to preventative care, so everybody can go for a flu vaccination once a year. If you're a high-risk person, you can also go for your pneumonia vaccinations. They do 3 assessments for babies under the age of 2. Please take note, it's at your network pharmacy clinic, so you can reach out to us and we can give you a list of the networks. The very nice benefit here is they do pay for female contraceptives, 2,550 Rand for a year. It's a great benefit. They do HPV immunizations, mammograms if you're older than 40, back and neck, that's if you've got a back injury and they want to prevent surgery, you can go for that. And then pap smears, very nice with Bestmed, once every 2 years, where many other schemes only pay that once every 3 years. Please take note that most of these, Bestmed will pay for the test or the treatment, but not always for the consultation. So as an example, if you go for a pap smear at a gynecologist, Bestmed will pay the pathology bill, but not the gynecologist visit. So just make sure that you're aware of that. The Tempo Wellness Program, if you're a member of Bestmed, you've got access to this. You've got to do these health tests. Once done, you've got access to biokineticist for a fitness consultation, a nutritionist for a nutrition consultation, and there's also an emotional wellness journey that you can go onto to make sure that everything is in tip-top shape. Bestmed has a great maternity care program. You can register for it. Once you've registered, you can do that in your second trimester. So after 14 weeks, you can register for that. They send you a gift that's very, very nice and helpful. You also have 6 antenatal consultations and then 2 2D ultrasounds, one your first trimester and one your second trimester. And that is it. I hope that this has been helpful. If you've got any questions, please reach out to our office. Our details will be below, and there's also a link that you can click to get a quotation, as well as one that you can click to book an appointment. Have a great day.